Hello, friends. I welcome you all on this special session of Vedic mathematics on behalf of Gyan Sanchar. Myself is Subhash Sharma, and I will be telling you the importance of Vedic mathematics and how we can learn Vedic mathematics. First of all, let me tell you what is the origin of Vedic mathematics. Vedic mathematics आया कहाँ से? सबसे पहले हम लोग इसकी बात करते हैं. So, as you all know that हमारे इंडियन कल्चर में चार वेद, right? And the fourth Ved is Atharva Veda. In Atharva Veda, medicine, engineering, sculpture, culture, and mathematics, it has been explained. Now, Bharti Krishna Tirath Ji Maharaj, he compiled the mathematics which is written in Atharva Veda in the book format so that everyone can learn it. The mathematics which is taken from Veda, that is why it is known as Vedic mathematics. And the credit goes to this great man. He was the Shankaracharya of one of the Math, and he has compiled the entire mathematics material from Atharva Veda. Now, as we all know in today's era that Vedic mathematics is considered as calculation technique, but I'll tell you, it is far beyond than that. It covers all aspects of mathematics, be it algebra, calculus, trigonometric, geometry, right? And it has been devised by taking the small fundamentals of mathematics so that the knowledge of mathematics, what we gain from Vedic mathematics, it is far more comprehensible as compared to the conventional mathematics that we learn today. How? I will explain you that also. अब हम लोग देखते हैं कि हम जो पार्ट शुरू करते हैं मैथ्स का सीखना at a early childhood, what we start learning from counting, we start learning from subtraction, addition, multiplication, division. हमारी मैथ्स की जर्नी की शुरुआत यहीं से होती है. तो डेफिनेटली अगर हम कोई नई जर्नी शुरू करने जा रहे हैं, हम नया मैथ सीखने जा रहे हैं, तो उसकी शुरुआत भी हमें यहीं से करनी होगी, राइट? We cannot directly say that we are going to learn calculus by Vedic mathematics technique. See, the fundamental definition is not going to be changed, right? You have to understand this. What is going to be changed is a philosophical approach towards the problems, right? That is going to be changed. Definitely addition ही रहेगा, subtraction ही रहेगा. Fundamental things are not going to be changed. लेकिन the way how we deal with the problems, that is going to be changed. That is Vedic mathematics. तो conventional method हमारा थोड़ा दूसरा है और normal method हमारा थोड़ा दूसरा, ठीक है? Now इसके benefits क्या है? Vedic mathematics में जो calculation techniques हैं, Vedic mathematics में जो mathematical explanation है, that is much faster as compared to conventional mathematics. I'll show you also. The Vedic mathematics is considered the only mathematics available in the entire world which uses both sides of the brain, right? Which uses both sides of the brain. Kaise? That is also I'll explain again. It enhances concentration. That I am not saying, I'm not adding this word. A very famous UK university has said that this is the only mathematics which is using both sides of the brain. You will be surprised to know that many of the foreign universities running Vedic mathematics as their course curriculum. So it enhances concentration. How it enhances concentration? बहुत simple है. आप किसी भी चीज को अगर बहुत fast करते हो and you're not allowing your brain to think anything extra while you are working on something, so definitely your concentration will be very high, right? And as we are saying that it includes both sides of the brain simultaneously, therefore it enhances creativity also. I can also add on to that, if you have been studying Vedic mathematics and you are practicing it for, let us say, for 4 to 6 months, you will see कि आपका इंप्रूवमेंट दूसरे फील्ड में भी होने लगा, दूसरे सब्जेक्ट्स में भी आपका इंप्रूवमेंट होने लगा जस्ट बाय लर्निंग वैदिक मैथमेटिक्स। आपका इंप्रूवमेंट दिखेगा आपको दूसरे सब्जेक्ट्स में, राइट? एज योर क्रिएटिविटी इंक्रीजेस, you're definitely going to apply that creativity in all the area wherever you have been working. So if a student is learning Vedic mathematics, definitely this is going to enhance his performance in other subjects as well, right? Now I'll show you how it works. Suppose I'll say 97 square. So in conventional mathematics, what we do, 97 cross 97, right? And we multiply by 7, then we multiply it by 9, then we add the number. So see, our calculation techniques is vertically downward, right? Now in Vedic mathematics, if I have to do 97 square, what I will be doing, I will differentiate my result in two parts, left hand side and right hand side. Now what I will do, I will see a nearby perfect number to 97, which is 100. Now 100 minus 97 is 3. So I will make 3 square, which is 9. It will automatically, as we are having two zeros in my perfect base, so I must have 2-digit number on right hand side. So I will make it 09. Now my deficiency, which was 100 minus 97, which is 3, right? I will subtract these 3 from my original number 97, that is 94. So my square will be 9409, right? As I'm explaining this to you, it is taking a bit of time. Otherwise, you can do a squaring of a 2-digit number in fraction of seconds, right? Now, the other thing, अब देखो यहाँ पे जैसे हमने बोला कि it is using both side of the brain simultaneously. How? See, we are not doing vertically downward calculation. हमने दोनों साइड के कैलकुलेशन को पैरेलली करने की कोशिश करी। और जब ये सारी चीजें whatever I have been writing in the board right now, जब ये सारी चीजें you will be doing mentally, so you have to use both sides of your brain simultaneously. That is quite logical. Now the second question arises कि भाई जब हमने अपनी कि हमें कब सीखना चाहिए, कैसे सीखना चाहिए वैदिक मैथमेटिक्स, राइट? एज आई सेड, इफ यू विल मेक दिस अ प्रैक्टिस, ठीक है, योर आईक्यू लेवल इज गोइंग टू इंक्रीज, योर कंसंट्रेशन गोइंग टू इंक्रीज, ठीक है, एंड व्हिच इज गोइंग टू हेल्प यू लाइफ लॉन्ग. सो इट इज अ वर्थ इन्वेस्टमेंट. आई एम टॉकिंग इन्वेस्टमेंट ऑफ टाइम. इट इज अ वर्थ इन्वेस्टमेंट. आप अपना टाइम थोड़ा सा एक्स्ट्रा यहाँ पे लगा लीजिए आज की डेट में. सेकंड पार्ट कि कब सीखना चाहिए, आई वुड से एज अर्ली एज यू कैन स्टार्ट. You can start from class 5th onwards. अगर आप क्लास 5th के स्टूडेंट्स हैं तो you can start learning Vedic mathematics. आपको कन्वेंशनल अगर एडिशन सब्ट्रैक्शन का आइडिया है, you can start learning Vedic mathematics, right? And you don't have to do anything. You have to just learn the techniques. Just give 15 minutes per day for doing calculation mentally and wait for 3 months of the time. You will see that your calculation speed enhanced, and also your creativity and concentration is also increasing day by day. So these benefits you are going to get, right? Now, what is the basic course? We have been launching a basic course. What is the meaning of the basic course? In the basic course, as I said, आप कोई भी मैथ सीखना चालू करोगे तो कैसे सीखोगे? How we started journey of mathematics from addition, subtraction only. So definitely in the basic course, we are going to cover addition, subtraction, division, squaring, cubing. And let me tell you, 2-digit multiplication, 3-digit multiplication, 2-digit squaring, 3-digit squaring will become a piece of cake for you. So this is the complete thing about the Vedic mathematics, so that you can learn what is Vedic mathematics is all about. I've also given a clue that how we do calculations. As you see, हम डायरेक्ट मल्टीप्लिकेशन नहीं करते, हम कुछ एक्स्ट्रा टेक्निक्स है यहाँ पे. जैसे मैंने आपको स्क्वायरिंग की बताई, हर जगह सब्ट्रैक्शन के लिए कुछ एक्स्ट्रा टेक्निक्स हैं, एडिशन के लिए कुछ एक्स्ट्रा टेक्निक्स हैं, सब मल्टीप्लिकेशन के लिए कुछ एक्स्ट्रा टेक्निक्स हैं. और डेफिनेटली व्हेन वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द टेक्निक्स, सो इट विल बी मैनी. सो इट इज अ कंप्लीट कोर्स ऑफ वर्थ इन्वेस्टमेंट. You're going to enjoy this a lot. We are having a very good trainers with us. We are having a very good curriculum with us, and everything you will be getting by sitting at home online in our app, right? So this is our app. This is our YouTube channel where you can get more and more information about Vedic mathematics. In our YouTube channel, you can go and check Vedic mathematics. You will be getting more and more videos where you can see how fast we can do the calculation. So thank you all for joining me in this session. Definitely, we will be meeting very soon in the classroom. Thank you.